here. In this YouTube short video, I'm going to show you how you can download your own videos, reels, photos, and stuff like this. I'm only going to do it with one media, just like show you the process works the whole thing. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you have your Instagram and your Instagram app open. Make sure it's there. I'm using desktop to show you. So I've got mine open, as you can see. That's mine. Then you go to the Snap Insta.app, and then we'll give you this signing. Say what you want. You can say what you can do, but you can just post the URL into it. So we're gonna find my one. So we'll go to my account. Then I will download this little reel. Click on the three dots. Click on this copy link. Then we go close that then. Then we go to Snap Insta. We paste that link. Then we click on download and let the magic happen. On the little folder there. Then it's done, and then we see video is done. See, and that is how easy it is to download your own content from Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section below, subscribe, hit the notification button to be notified every time I post a new video.